What's up, guys? This is Professor Ron, and I'm the guy who wrote the blog post that you're about to read here below. And I just want to say welcome to my blog and congratulations on looking into creating online courses. Now, online courses are a great business model, even if you don't have a huge following. And it's one of those that I personally have a lot of experience with. I have a decade of teaching experience as a college professor and also in the online business space. So I'm here to make your decision easy. Now, in the past year alone, there has been an estimated $46 billion in online course sales. And not only that, by the end of 2022, they are predicting an estimated $240 billion in this whole industry. So it's a great time to get into it. So congrats to you just for checking it out. So you're probably wondering how this page actually works, right? Like, what are you about to get into here? So I made this post a little bit different than the other ones that are on the internet because I want to make something better, right? And by doing that, what I've done is I've made this kind of an interactive post, meaning that throughout the whole post, there's numerous different videos to help walk you through certain things and understand certain concepts. So in the post, I explain what online course platforms are and the different types of online course platforms as well. Now, I do want to say, if you're like, Ron, I'm not interested in that, I just want to see the list, just scroll down. It's all down there. But if you want me to explain more visually with you, I can do that as well. After I explain the different types of online course platforms, I get into how to choose the correct platform for you. And then finally, what I've done is in my top recommendations of online course platforms, I actually have different tutorials that I've fully recorded for you so that you can actually see these top 3 platforms in action. That being said, let's go ahead and get started.